Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to Las Vegas, a city that truly never sleeps. Whether you're here for the glitz and glamour of the Strip, the world-class entertainment, or just a chance to let loose and have some fun, Las Vegas has something for everyone. So put on your walking shoes, grab a frosty beverage, and let's get started. Alright folks, we're starting our adventure right on the Las Vegas Strip, the beating heart of this city. This 4-mile stretch of Las Vegas Boulevard is like a sensory overload in the best way possible. As we stroll along the Strip, look around. You'll be surrounded by towering mega resorts, each trying to outdo the next with over-the-top themes and architecture. It's a hub of activity, with street performers, musicians, and of course, the ever-present sound of slot machines ringing. Even if you're not a gambler, the sheer opulence and attention to detail are a sight to behold. Be sure to snap a photo with the "Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas" sign. It's practically a rite of passage for first-time visitors. Get ready to be mesmerized because we're about to witness one of the most iconic free shows in Las Vegas, the Bellagio Fountains. Situated right in front of the elegant Bellagio Hotel, these fountains are more than just water features. They're a choreographed, aquatic masterpiece. Jets of water shoot hundreds of feet into the air, swaying and dancing in perfect synchronization with the rhythm. The Bellagio Fountains perform a variety of shows, each with its own unique theme and soundtrack. The best part, the show is completely free to enjoy. Find a spot along the edge of the lagoon or grab a table at one of the nearby restaurants for a front row seat. So sit back, relax, and let the music and water transport you to a world of wonder. Now let's hop over to downtown Las Vegas, where we'll experience a different side of Sin City at the Fremont Street Experience. This pedestrian mall is a vibrant blend of vintage Vegas charm and modern entertainment. As you step under the massive canopy, you'll be greeted by a dazzling display of LED lights. But Fremont Street is about more than just lights. It's a lively hub of activity with street performers, live music stages, and a variety of restaurants and shops. Take a stroll down memory lane and admire the vintage neon signs from Las Vegas's past. Whether you're looking for a taste of old Vegas, some live entertainment, or just a unique and energetic atmosphere, Fremont Street Experience has something for everyone. Next up, we're going to get a bird's-eye view of this dazzling city from the high roller observation wheel. Standing at a towering 550 feet, it's the tallest observation wheel in the world. As we step into one of the spacious, climate-controlled cabins, we'll be treated to panoramic views of the Las Vegas Strip and the surrounding desert landscape. As the wheel slowly rotates, you'll have ample time to soak in the sights and capture some incredible photos. Look out for iconic landmarks like the Stratosphere Tower, the Wynn Las Vegas, and the Bellagio Fountains, all from a completely new perspective. For an extra special experience, consider taking a ride on the high roller at sunset or after dark. A ride on the high roller observation wheel is an unforgettable way to appreciate the scale and beauty of Las Vegas. For our final stop, we're stepping back in time at the Neon Museum, a captivating outdoor museum dedicated to preserving the iconic neon signs of Las Vegas's past. As we wander through the Neon Boneyard, the museum's main exhibit, you'll see hundreds of restored and unrestored signs, each with its own unique history and charm. From the glittering Stardust sign to the whimsical Moulin Rouge sign, these relics offer a glimpse into the golden age of Las Vegas. Take your time admiring the craftsmanship of these vintage signs, and imagine them lighting up the night sky in their heyday. The juxtaposition of vintage neon against the desert sky creates some truly memorable images. The Neon Museum is a must-see for anyone interested in design, history, or simply the nostalgia of old Las Vegas. Well folks, our whirlwind tour of Las Vegas has come to an end, and I hope you're leaving feeling as energized and inspired by this city as I am. From the dazzling lights of the Strip, to the vintage charm of Fremont Street, and the breathtaking views from the high roller, Las Vegas is a destination that truly has it all. Until next time, happy travels.